This video will show you how to customize the email reports of your AhsayCBS, specifically in terms of font size, font style, and wordings. First, to modify the content of email reports, particularly the font and size, go to the report directory of the HTML files. Open the drive where the AhsayCBS is installed. Select Program Files. Click the AhsayCBS folder. Open the Web Apps. Click OBS, JSP, then Report. You'll find the HTML files. Before making changes, it is highly recommended for an administrator to have a backup of the HTML files. Take note, fonts of reports in PDF format cannot be modified. Select one and open with Notepad. You may now edit the font style and size. Next, to modify the wordings in email reports, edit the properties files with the text editor. Click the AhsayCBS folder, then open the Live folder. Look for the CBS-JSP properties files. The two-letter abbreviation in the variation of the file names corresponds to the language. For example, EN is English. Before making changes, it is highly recommended for an administrator to have a backup of the JSP files. Open a file with the text editor. Search for the phrase you would like to edit. For example, please download the attachment to view your consolidated daily user report. Highlight the entire line. Then edit. Save and exit the text editor.